Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome girl to another Fashion Nova try-on haul. Now y'all, I have to hold this mic because this top. Anyway, girl, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but y'all, Fashion Nova got me like at this time. That's in the chokehold. And baby, every time I'm scrolling, I end up seeing a piece that I'm like, that is calling my name. It is so cute. But I have really been giving Fashion Nova my coins because this video is not sponsored. I will have links in the description box, but I don't make any money from the links. I just share these links with you all out the kindness of my heart. Before I get into the try-on haul, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Okay? All right. Now let's get into it. Up first, both pieces are from the Nova. Oh, before y'all ask, I don't remember where these earrings came from. I got them from Etsy and I got them like a couple of years ago. Yes, I'm being a little extra in this video with these earrings, but that's me. So anyway, the top is actually a bodysuit. Fall is here, so these pieces are fall pieces. Faux leather, it can be hot. So I'm a little bit warm right now, but she is super cute. You can actually layer her like I'm gonna show you in a minute. She does contain stretch, y'all. Great stretch. I'm wearing a size extra large. The bodysuit is thong style. Now, it was a struggle when I was trying to snap her because she snaps between the legs. And these jeans, y'all, these jeans are tea. These jeans are super cute. I'm wearing a size 13. They have really cute slits on the side, wide leg. I am loving wide legs these days. Actually, y'all, I'm in my denim era. It's like I'm just loving denim right now. I don't know what happened, but I'm just loving denim. And as you can see, the knees have the distressed look. And look at here. Y'all see this? Now, because I am a curvy girl, a lot of times when we buy jeans, the jeans are sticking all the way out in the back because of this right here. But look at this. Y'all see this? And I didn't even have to get them tailored, but they fit. They fit the waist. I love these jeans. They fit so good. And look, stretch. This is a super cute look. And yes, I do have them on with heels. My go-to heels. I always put these on because they're platform. I don't know about you, but platform heels are easier for me to walk in than a skinny stiletto heel. They're old. I'm praying that they don't fall apart on me because I love these shoes. Let me show you about layering. I told y'all I'm in my denim era. And this jean jacket, oh my goodness, it is super cute. I absolutely love it. I love the distressed look. This will elevate your casual looks to another level. I mean, super cute. I'm wearing an extra large. I really could have gotten a large. A large would have been perfect. But I wanted an extra large because I wanted her a little bit loose. So if I have on something long sleeve underneath, it's not super tight. So that's why I wanted it to be a little bit more roomy. I checked the product details to see what the material is made of. If I see that it has 5% or more spandex, I know that I can size down. And this one has lots of spandex. It has really good stretch. So whatever your normal size is, if you choose to, you can get it. But I wanted an extra large.
Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me.
I told y'all I'm in my denim era. I have been wanting a denim top like this. I have one, if you saw it in my Amazon haul, but I wanted a different denim look. Y'all know denim come in all shades. But I wanted something more along like the medium wash denim, like this. But anyway, she have these flaps right here, and these are pockets. it zips up the front. So I literally unzipped it, put it on. You know, you have to pull and zip. But she actually zips up without a problem because hunty, she is super stretchy. Now, I don't remember the size that I have. I think it's a large because I want to say I saw that she contains spandex and I read the reviews. When you're ordering on Fashion Nova and you kind of want to know what size should I get, read the product details and read the reviews. If it has reviews, I suggest you read until you find someone that tell you how it fits. Because somewhere along there, someone will let you know it runs a little big, size down, or it runs small, size up, whatever. I want to say this is a large. Anyway, this is the back. And look, y'all, I'm telling y'all, stretch. And I have been wanting to pair a denim top with a pair of white trousers. I don't know, I just had the idea. I think I did see something. Anyway, I do have her on with heels because these are my heels. Because she's wide leg and she's long. She is extremely long. And I know I'm not the tallest person. I'm only 5'3", but they're super long. They're high-waisted. They're like sitting right here. And I'm wearing a size large in the pants. I love the way they fit. Let me show you. And yes, y'all see this? I'm wearing my body shaper because in white, honey, white shows everything. And I was not going to come on this camera without having on some foundation for this. I don't always wear foundation when I do my try on hauls, but I had to put some on today. These are the trousers. They have the elastic in the waist. I just love these pants. They're super cute.
Hello.
Next up is this super cute chartreuse jumpsuit. This is one of my go-to outfits, and it could be yours too. Because if you don't know what to wear at an event, you have somewhere to go and it's like, what can I wear? And you're struggling, or you struggle with putting an outfit together, get yourself a jumpsuit. One and done, easy breezy outfit. This is a really cute jumpsuit. I told y'all, fall pieces, long sleeve. It has an elastic waist. See how it hangs kind of low and it's up high here? I guess that's how it's supposed to be. I don't know if that's just my body making it fit this way. I don't know, I don't care. She's cute. She is super long. I'm going to have to get at least an inch or 1.5 inches cut. I do have on platform heels with this, and I think this jumpsuit is, I think she's an extra large. I'm not really sure, but I'll have the size right here on the screen. And the color against the melanin, no shade to anyone else, but I am a Black woman and all colors look good on me, period. This color, this lippy, the earrings, and this jumpsuit is tea, honey. Now, I told y'all I'm in my denim era. I picked up this cutie too from the Nova. She is super cute. This bag is actually inspired by Chanel. Chanel have the C's here, I think. I'm gonna just pop a picture here on the screen. But yes, she is designer inspired. Super cute denim bag. I just been wanting a denim bag. Y'all see she zips here. She's very spacious on the inside. Love her. And you just down, twist, and baby, she is ready to be worn. That's what I'm saying when I say easy breezy. Earrings, bag, heels, I'm ready to go. We have come to the last look of the day of this try-on haul, another jumpsuit. Now, I was kind of iffy about this color. It comes in other colors as well. I think black and red. But I was kind of skeptical about this copper color because I'm a brown skin girl and I wasn't sure if this color would actually complement my skin tone or if I would kind of look washed out, blended, you know, wasn't sure, but I actually like the color. It has this belt that's attached. You can actually tie this belt in the front or the back. I would never tie in the back because this area right here, this is my problem area. So if I can camouflage it at any time, I would definitely do that. She has shoulder pads, y'all. Cute, look. They're not too big and bulky. They don't make me look too broad up here. So I actually like them in this jumpsuit. Now, I could not zip the back of the jumpsuit, y'all, but this is the back. I'm at home by myself. She zips up the back, and then it's a little clasp where you can hook her like, you know, like the little bra clasp. She contains great stretch. Look at this, great stretch. This is a size large. Honestly, with the way she fit, I really could get away with a medium, but she'll be a little too fitted. Too much boom, bam, pow, and I don't need that, just in case I want to wear this one to church. And yes, I will wear her to church. And that'll do it for this try-on haul. Oh no, wait. I have one last accessory to show you.
And I tell you my story.
Ain't no hold 'em. Lay your cards down, 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 down. So pocket legs.
Cowboy Carter is gone, honey, but Cowboy Hardiman is here. Oh, yes. Now, I purchased this one back when Cowboy Carter was on tour, when the tour was going on. I wanted to go, so I said, if I go, I'm going all out. I'm gonna be right along with everyone else with the theme. However, I didn't go to the concert, and I forgot to include her in my last Fashion Nova haul. So here we are. And this will do it for this Fashion Nova try-on haul. If you have made it to this portion of the video, first of all, thank you, GWURL. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Because, honey, we are at 10,000 subscribers. Woo! Yeah! Oh, this was a goal of mine back in January. Actually, before January, December 31st, I made a list of goals. And one of my goals was to be at 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So thank you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for just thank you. And I will see each one of you girls in the next video. Adios.